Hello, Brandon here again. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the campaigns module for our candidate table. The campaign module is central to how the application works. So, to load up the campaigns page, we're greeted with our campaign card. So this is a campaign that I'm running currently with one of my friends from the US. His name's Tyler. He hasn't yet uploaded an image for his user avatar yet, but that's okay. Then we also have test user that I was using during the development process of this, just to test things with. And then of course we have me as the DM. I'm the creator of the campaign, which labels me the DM. From here, we can, for the purposes of this video, we're going to go through the creation process with creating a new campaign and joining one. I have another user logged in at the moment who will be joining this campaign after we create one. So here, and then afterwards, we're going to look at the code a little bit and see how it all functions and works together. So we have the create new campaign button. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to give this campaign a name. We're just going to call it YouTube Test Campaign. I'm going to give it a game system name so that our users know what game system it is we're going to be playing. Here I'm just going to say D&D 5th edition. And then I can browse for an image to make as my campaign image that they'll see on the campaign card. So I'll just select this for now. This is being uploaded to Supabase, and then we're pulling the image URL from Supabase to display to the user. And we're going to click Create Campaign. Now, a new campaign has been created, and we're going to use this invite code to send to other users through the app. We also have a messaging panel that we can use to send messages through the application to other users that are also have accounts on the application, and we'll use this invite code to send to our friends, who will then join the campaign through the Join Campaign button, where there's a place to paste the invite code and join the campaign. So now that we see that our friend user has joined the campaign, I named him Bobzilla. Now we can sort of go through and talk about how this works from the coding aspect. So here we have the campaign dashboard. That's going to be this page that we see here. And we're importing React. We have use effects, use states, and use context. The use context is used to pull user information. Use effect and use state are used to control various things through the campaign dashboard. Here you can see an example from where we're doing the user context. Our first use effect we have is fetch campaigns. This is going to pull the data that we have saved in the database per user who has created a campaign. So in other words, all campaigns that also have creator ID of the user ID. And this will show all of the campaigns where the user is a DM, and it will also show all campaigns where the user is actually a player. So it does both things here. We're using JWT tokens to do validation. And then obviously we have try and catch blocks to catch errors. So here we have handlers to navigate to different portions of the application, like the create page and the join page. Here we have another standard CRUD operation for handle delete. And then we're displaying the nav bar that we've created. And I believe that's pretty much it on the coding side for the dashboard. For creating a campaign, we have functions that will allow us to change an image and to submit our campaigns to the database. For joining a campaign, here's where we're going to see that we will be joining via invite code. Here's the label for the invite code. We enter it in, and then we submit the code, and we check if the code is correct, or we check what code what campaign that code is assigned to, and then we join that campaign. So in the next video, we're going to switch phases and go into the DM toolkit to show the things that we need in order to actually play a game of Dungeons and Dragons on the application. Thank you for watching.